Hello friends, welcome to new video. The topic of this video is the natural sound source. Let's start. Human auditory system works at around 7 months. This ability makes human able to identify sounds in environment. So this theory states that primitive words derive from imitations of the natural sounds that early men and women heard around them. Jespersen called this idea bow-wow theory. There are two suppositions regarding this theory. 1. The bow-wow theory. The theory states that words in language are emerged from naturally echoing sound, splash, bang, boom, etc. Words that sound similar to the noises they describe are examples of onomatopoeia. Flaw of the bow-wow theory. This theory doesn't give us answer that how soundless objects, for example low branch, abstract things, for example truth, have place in language. The pooh-pooh theory. The second name to Jespersen's idea is pooh-pooh theory. It states that speech developed from instinctive sounds people make in emotional circumstances. The sounds came from natural cries of emotion, such as pain, anger, and joy, for example, ouch, ooh, wow, etc. French philosopher Rousseau says that language emerged from cries of nature. Flaw of the pooh-pooh theory. These sounds are produced by inhaling, but in reality during speech we exhale, not inhale.